Well, we are weather alert tonight and then again for tomorrow night through Thursday as we're going to watch several rounds of storms. One round coming in right now, and the next round could arrive later tomorrow night, overnight through early Wednesday morning. So some overnight chances coming up. Many of these storms could create strong wind gusts and hail, but also isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. That's what we have right now. Most of our viewing area is clear, but just to the north and to the west, we're watching a complex of storms dropping south and east. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center is keeping an eye on all this area downstream, Chattanooga, Cleveland, Athens to Murphy, for a potential for a severe thunderstorm watch because these storms continue to develop or feed off that warm, humid air. Strongest storm now is this one not far from Smithville. That's approaching the far western edge of Cumberland and the northern part of Van Buren County. This did have a tornado warning attached to it. It is still a very strong storm, possessing the chance for some strong wind gusts, a tremendous amount of lightning there, and a lot of heavy rain. That is heading eastward between now and the bottom of the half hour. So we'll keep an eye on that between Crossville and Pikeville, where that storm moves south and east. So especially near Fall Creek Falls, be aware of that. Other storms not far from Manchester, also sliding southeast, could impact parts of Grundy, parts of Coffee and Marion counties. It slides down to the southeast and Franklin County. So again, we'll keep an eye on these storms as they move or dive down to the south and east, feeding off that warm, humid air. So again, we'll keep an eye on this throughout the evening hours in the city and north. Higher chance for storms this evening. Farther south you are, lesser of a chance. That's our main threat for tonight. Once we're through the overnight hours, things do get a little bit calmer. But in the days ahead, this whole system moves our way. It is already causing a rare level 5 risk right on Oklahoma City to Wichita tonight. For us, we're under a level 1 risk through tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow and tomorrow night, your higher odds are north, but even for us, later in the night through early Wednesday, back under that level 1 marginal risk that a few storms could be strong to severe. Then, moving toward Wednesday night, well, we're back at that level 2 status as stronger storms roll back in again, and some of those could impact us coming up Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. So several rounds to go through, and we'll have to step through each one very carefully, one storm system at a time. Our high-res model shows between now and 8 o'clock, very active north of the city, Cleveland, Pikeville, Athens, Crossville. This continues to about 10, 11 o'clock as it kind of arcs around to the south and east. So again, we'll keep you posted should there be any other watches, warnings issued. But the farther south you go, not as much of a problem the rest of the overnight as things do get a little bit calmer. However, as we go toward late tomorrow during the afternoon, just a spotty shower. I think our best chance arrives later on tomorrow night through early Thursday morning during the overnight and early morning hours. The rest of the day Wednesday has a few storms during the afternoon. And then later Wednesday night, another potential round of storms rolls by during the early pre-night hours of Thursday. So you see how it's not going to be continuous with storms, but rounds of storms moving on by. And when they do move in, when these complexes moving down, wind gusts, hail, indeed a possibility. So tomorrow, your best chance for a thunder shower late day, just scattered. Our highest odds are overnight tomorrow night through early Wednesday. And again, heading into Thursday. It stays warm and humid throughout this time, some peaks of sunshine each day. But on Friday, we're drier, cooler, lesser of a chance of showers. That carries over to the start of the weekend. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s.
All right, David Glenn, thank you. The Tennessee Vols now the top